Welcome back to your intermediate guide to ranch roping. Today we're going to learn how to swing the third swing, the backhand. This is the least used for me, but there's a couple shots you're going to want to know that you're going to need the backhand for. Today's video is brought to you by 2 Peter 1, 3 through 9. His divine power has given us everything we need for a godly life through our knowledge of him who called us by his own glory and goodness. Through these, he has given us his very great and precious promises, so that through them you may participate in the divine nature, having escaped the corruption of the world caused by evil desires. For this reason, make every effort to add to your faith goodness, and to goodness knowledge, and to knowledge self-control, and to self-control perseverance, and to perseverance godliness, and to godliness mutual affection, and to mutual affection love. For if you possess these qualities in increasing measure, they will keep you from being ineffective and unproductive in your knowledge of our Lord Jesus Christ. But whoever does not have them is nearsighted and blind, forgetting that they have been cleansed from their past sins. So as we all know, the houlihan travels clockwise. The backhand's going to travel the same. The one key difference is that on the houlihan, my thumb is going to roll down. On the backhand, my thumb is going to stay stuck out. This is going to be very important for your karate chops and all the things. If you're trying to throw a karate chop or a backhand trap with a houlihan swing, it's not going to work because of the figure eight in the back. The backhand swing eliminates that figure eight. So the way we're going to start this is I'm going to lay my loop out in front of me with my palm facing the sky. And to kind of get the feel for it, all I want to do is drag that back and try to lay that loop down the exact same way with my palm still facing the sky, right? And as you'll watch, my thumb's going to stay out the whole time. And so as we start getting this, you can start on the left-hand side of your body, keep that thumb stuck out, and add swings in. One little key, your backhand is going to want to figure eight like a mother. It is a figure eight and swing. So what you want to do is I'm going to place that rope right there in the last little crook, last little knuckle of my pinky finger. And as I'm coming behind my head and around the front of me, I'm going to be dragging that inside strand. So if you're looking at my loop here, this strand, I'm going to be dragging it to me throughout that swing, okay? And what that's going to do is it's going to be kind of forcing that strand to stay where I want it to stay. If I don't do that and I just keep swinging, well, this rope ain't going to do it because it's just a good rope, but you'll see what I'm talking about when you start, I promise you. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.